Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the duration of any clip in VN Video Editor. So let's get started with the video. First of all, you need to open the VN Video Editor application. And here I have already added a clip. Now, if you look at its length, it's 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Now I have to anchor it. Now, what options do we have for this? The available option is that you need to click on this layer. And from here, you need to click on the speed option. Here, you can see there's also a custom option where you can set the speed manually, but you need to click on regular. As soon as you click on regular, you need to click on this option and scroll it a little bit backward. Earlier, the length of the clip here was 2 minutes and 8 seconds, or something like that. Now, look, it has become 3 minutes and 28 seconds. So, based on that, we can increase its speed a little. If you decrease the speed, you can see here, actually, if the speed is higher, you can see here that it has become 2 minutes and 36 seconds. But still, compared to the original clip, the duration of this clip is longer. So, in this way, you can increase the duration of any clip using the VN Video Editor application. That was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.